school, school. Teacher, teacher. Student, student. Classroom, classroom. Homework, homework. Pencil, pencil. Book, book. Backpack, backpack. Desk, desk. Chair, chair. Pen, pen. Ruler, ruler. Eraser, eraser. Paper, paper. Crayon, crayon. Chalk, chalk. Whiteboard, whiteboard. Alphabet, alphabet. Math, math. Geography, geography. Art, art. Music, music. Library, library.